Hello, good evening, everyone. So, today I'm going to share with you a statement given by a person named Joe Weisenthal, who is from Bloomberg TV and he is a prominent crypto critic. He said that even Elon Musk's tweets fail to help Dogecoin rise now. So Dogecoin, if you all have already followed Dogecoin since the last few months, you all know quite clearly that Dogecoin has been very volatile, and it was always dependent on Elon Musk's tweets. As soon as Elon Musk used to tweet, those coins value would rise up, and then again it would come down. But the thing is that there is one point when saturation will hit, and then the coins will get mature, and then the coins will not be dependent on Elon Musk's tweets anymore. So the market is maturing. You see, he has said that. Um, Elon Musk recently, today itself, he published a meme on Twitter, a Godfather meme, and after that, again he gave another tweet on Dogecoin, and even if those two tweets about Dogecoin was out, the value of the coin failed to pump. So let's see the tweets of Elon Musk. If I see here, this is the Twitter handle of Elon Musk, and like 4 hours ago, you can see here, 4 hours ago, he was tweeting about the Dogecoin, baby Doge, do like that, and then and 5 hours ago, just 1 hour before that, he was he again uploaded a meme on Dogecoin, and he was saying release the Doge. But at that time, like it was 4 or 5 hours ago, so that means if I see the value of Dogecoin 4 or 5 hours ago from now, like now it's 7:20 p.m. So like around 3:20 or 2:20, what was the price of Doge? So this is the Coin Market Cap website, and from this Coin Market Cap website, let's see the chart for Dogecoin. So if I go to the Dogecoin, then in this chart, let's see what was happening to Dogecoin at the time when Elon Musk was tweeting. So let's see here. So Elon Musk tweeted at around 2:30 or 3:30. So at that time, suppose this one is 2:30. Okay, and this one is 3:30. So the price range, if you can see, it did not pump. Okay, it was consolidating at the same level. Okay, the price did not rise up. Okay, it actually went down a little bit, and then again it came back to its normal value. Okay, so that means while Elon Musk was tweeting at that time, like 4 or 5 hours back, baby Doge and all, then release the Doge and all. So at that time, Dogecoin did not see any pump in its value. Its price was almost the same. Okay, and right now its price is a little bit less actually than at the time of Elon Musk's tweet. So that is the thing. The market, even if people believe that the cryptocurrency market is volatile, the market will get mature over time. And at one point of time, the market will be very, very healthy, and it will not be driven by the tweets of one single person. And and regarding Dogecoin, also you can see that Dogecoin has two categories of people. Okay, Dogecoin has one category who is like the Doge army, and who is still believing that Dogecoin will hit $1, And there is one another group who which believes that this is just a meme coin and nothing but a joke, and it's a bubble which rises that rises fueled by hype, mainly spread by Elon Musk. So now time will tell. Like right now, Dogecoin is not getting influenced by Elon Musk's tweet. Okay, so we can say that if we're optimistic, we can say that Elon Musk's influence over Dogecoin is actually decreasing, and obviously we should always hope that Elon Musk's influence on the whole crypto market will decrease at one point of time. This market will mature over time, and this same thing has been told by Vitalik Buterin, and he said that there will be a time when the market will mature, and the market will be very strong, and it will not be guided by someone's tweet. So this was the information that I wanted to share with you all. So thank you for listening. Thank you very much.